Ria was learning about websites in her computer class. While browsing the internet, she noticed that every website address started with HTTP or HTTPS. Curious, she wondered what HTTP meant and why it appeared at the beginning of a web address. During her next class, the teacher explained that the beginning part of a web address, like HTTP or HTTPS, is called the protocol. The protocol defines the rules for how the browser communicates with the website to access its data. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which allows the transfer of text, images, and other data between the user and the website. On the other hand, HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure includes an extra layer of security by encrypting the data being transferred. This encryption protects sensitive information such as passwords and payment details from hackers. The teacher also explained that protocols are essential for ensuring a smooth and safe browsing experience, especially when using secure websites like online banking or shopping platforms. Now, let's solve a multiple choice question based on the above paragraph. The question is, which part of a URL indicates the protocol used to connect to the resource? The options are domain name, top level domain TLD, protocol, web suffix. Let's understand each option and find out the correct answer. Domain name. This is the middle part of the URL, like example, and it identifies the website's name but does not explain how the browser connects. Top level domain TLD. The TLD is the last part of the domain, such as .com, .org, or .net. It only shows the type of website and does not indicate the protocol. Protocol. The protocol appears at the very beginning of the URL, like http:// or https://. It defines the rules and method for the browser to connect to the website. Web suffix. This is not a standard term in a URL. It may refer to the TLD, but it does not indicate the protocol. So, the correct answer is protocol. The protocol is the starting part of a URL that tells the browser how to connect to the website or resource. In Ria's case, HTTPS, she noticed, was the protocol showing how the connection was established. This helped her understand the role of protocols in URLs and how they ensure smooth and secure browsing. Friends, you can learn more about this topic in your MSc IT book in detail.